There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
There goes my head shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, make sure the lights feed the dark, spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to
see that you are the reason. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you to hold me
closer now, just a little closer now. Come a little closer, I need you to hold me tonight. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I
need you
to
see that you are the reason.
Ai hola koro sa sure dino luki tu sohuba kita maribar hasian boto oma sure na lauri ho dang peduli yang barang nason dia bego iba holoki mengadian di boto hasian tu pahok tu hadabe
puji-pujian mardonga muliate Tuhan. Doho uduk nang serek nireuha. Nang dipakilaan rohanami do Tuhan asido dengan dibasam dia bala sadarion. Dilewa kodo ari natiu di parna ko matarion ali Tuhan di bagasan hari pasok doa bisa hukna. Subuh para anak pulang super bor. Jala satu super bor ali Tuhan di bagas naik pasok do las girohan. Tuhan, ada orang syukur haami ali Tuhan di bagas doron. Atong Tuhan, joloani mengalahkan kami Tuhan. Asarap ulur kami salhukna Tuhan. Lau babur hakton kia lapon nasida do guru nasida tu bagas doron. Dinam lau majaro pamasu-masuon sian naposong Tuhan. Tuhan diolon namion sadarion do dinamangu diututi ima Tuhan ulaun ada habation nami nasomaralo tulung roham atong Tuhan paherbang mapangalayambi Tuhan naleheti jalagohi mahami marhitetuddim asa merdalan ulaun nami i ale Tuhan sian namamuka sa tunasipul na Tuhan di bagasan hadameon do las ni rohan Tuhan, perdosa nagodang doa misalu na ale Tuhan. Jumuluse sama dosa nami nagodangi Tuhan. Asa tama hami majalo habauran ni pasu-pasu. Ola mga sahon anak Tuhan Yesus Kristus, martangyak kami Tuho. Amin.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless. My love is endless. And with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason. You're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you. Will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Ooh, you look so beautiful in white. Na, 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 na. So beautiful in white tonight. And if a daughter is what our future holds, I hope she has your eyes, finds love like you and I did. Yeah, but when she falls in love, we'll let her go. And I'll walk her down the aisle. She looks so beautiful